Will robots take your job or create a brand new one you never imagined? This question isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. For centuries, machines have replaced human labor. The Industrial Revolution took weaving from hands to factories. Today, robots build cars, pack warehouses, and even chat with you online. They don't get tired, they don't ask for breaks, and they can work with incredible precision. But here's the twist. While some jobs disappear, others are born. When ATMs arrived, people thought bank tellers were finished. Instead, new jobs opened in customer service and financial advice. The same is true today with AI and robotics. So, which jobs are safe? Work that requires creativity, empathy, and complex decision-making, like teaching, therapy, or innovation, is harder for robots to copy. Machines are powerful, but they don't dream, care, or imagine the way people do. The future of work may not be humans versus robots, it could be humans with robots. Together, we could achieve things neither could do alone. So the real question isn't, can robots replace human jobs? It's how will we adapt? Thank you for watching a knowledge video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We put the edge in knowledge.